In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SKU in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to add SKUs to both single products and product variants, so your inventory stays organized and easy to track. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This will open up a list of all the items you currently have in your store. From this list, choose the product you want to add an SKU to by clicking on its name. This will open the product editor, where you can manage details like title, description, pricing, and more. Now, scroll down the product editor page until you see the inventory section. This is where Shopify keeps all the information related to stock management. In this section, look toward the bottom left area for the SKU field. Click into that SKU field, and now you can type in the unique SKU you want to assign to this product. An SKU, or stock keeping unit, is just an internal code that helps you quickly identify and track your items. It's a good idea to use a consistent format, something that makes sense to you and your team, such as including product type, color, or size in the code. Right beside the SKU field, you'll also see a space where you can optionally enter a barcode number, such as a UPC or EAN, if you use physical barcodes in your business. This is not required, but it can help if you scan items in a warehouse or at a retail location. Once you've entered your SKU, scroll back up to the top of the page. Near the search bar, you'll see the Save button. Click Save to make sure your new SKU is stored and applied to that product. Next, let's look at how to add an SKU to a product variant, such as different sizes or colors. Go back to your main product list. Choose a product that has variants and click on it to open the editor. Scroll down until you reach the Variants section. Here, you'll see each variant listed separately. Click on the specific variant you want to edit. This opens the variant editor. Again, find the Inventory section. Just like before, look to the bottom left for the SKU field. Enter the unique SKU you want for this particular variant, and optionally fill in the barcode field if you use one. When you're done, scroll back up and click Save at the top near the search bar. You can now repeat the same process for any other products or variants that need SKUs. Taking the time to set these up properly will make managing your inventory and reporting much smoother as your store grows.